Hello kids, look at these shapes. All shapes are 2D shapes. First we are draw these shapes and fill color. So first we start these shapes. Start shape kids. It's a star. A star. A square. It's a square shape. A square. Now we draw circle. Circle. Heart. We are drawing heart shape kids. Heart. Triangle. We are drawing triangle shape. Triangle. Now we are drawing hexagon. It's a hexagon shape. Hexagon. Let's learn some colors. Pink color, brown color, orange color, red color, yellow green color, forest green color, sky blue color, purple color, blue color, deep yellow color, light green color. Old red color. Old red color. Ultramarine color. Ultramarine color. Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Pastel yellow color. Pastel yellow color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Black color. Black color. Learn the shapes: star, square, circle, heart, triangle, hexagon. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.